it's Brandon Martin with Freeform here to teach you how to install the wood frame hardware system. If you're watching this, it's likely that you've been tasked with the exciting endeavor of installing Freeform's wood frame hardware solution. Please don't let it intimidate you. If you follow these simple step-by-step instructions, you'll be on the fast track to building this beautiful feature that will be admired for years to come. To start, let me give you a brief overview of the system. The wood frame is a floor-to-ceiling mounted partition system. It combines the natural and timeless look of wood, and its characteristics add rigidity to Freeform panels. The profiles arrive as uncut 10-foot lengths. This is meant to ensure the perfect fit, since they are cut to length on site. The main profiles you'll be using are the edge seat, edge clamp, mullion seat, mullion clamp, scribe, and doorway profiles. Depending on the options chosen, you may also have the inside corner seat, outside corner seat, and corner clamp profiles. Now let's take a look at how the profiles will interact with each other and with the panels. The profiles will be capturing the panels on all four sides. Once installed into the seat profile, they are held in place by the various clamp profiles. The edge profiles are used at the top, bottom, and sides of the system. Wherever the edges of the system will be meeting a wall, floor, or ceiling, a scribe profile will be used to take up variance and give a clean reveal. Wherever there's a panel-to-panel intersection, mullions are used. Mullions can be used both horizontally and vertically. The mullion clamp slips over the mullion seat to press down on both panels at the same time. For framed openings, we use the doorway profile, which also uses scribes when meeting with the ceiling or wall. Now, before getting started on the assembly, here are the tools needed in order to complete the installation. Power drill, assorted drill bits, countersinking bit, miter saw, level, hand planer, pocket screws and jig, nail gun, and lastly, finishing nails. Remember, always use a trained professional to complete the installation, and always wear your safety glasses. Step 1. Cutting the seat profiles. First, you will want to measure your floor-to-ceiling heights and floor runs. Make sure to account for inconsistencies in the floor. Next, cut the edge and doorway profiles to length. On the edges of the system, where the verticals meet horizontals, the profiles will be mitered together. Step 2. Scribe attachment. Attach 2 scribes spaced 1/4 inch off of either edge of the doorway and edge profiles. These can be sanded to help get a snug fit and offer minimal gaps along the edges of the system. When reaching an open edge within the system, cap off the scribe to give a clean reveal. Step 3. Corner preparation. When the system turns a corner, the edge profiles are mitered. First, cut the edge profiles at 45 degrees. Then, using the corner jig, clamp the 2 ends together. Prep the corners with pocket screw holes to pull them tight. Another option is the corner post. This relies on a modified version of the edge profile, depending on the corner direction. These will butt joint into the vertical cut face of the top and bottom edge profiles. Use pocket screws through the top and bottom of the system to attach the posts while also hiding the hardware, or screw through the front face, then cover with putty. Once the modules are installed, the corner posts are screwed together using number 6 finishing screws. The clamping profiles for the inside corner are different sizes and will overlap as shown. Step 4. Horizontal mullions. When we have horizontal mullions or vertical mullions that terminate into a horizontal, we can use dowels or pocket screws to help hide the hardware and attach the mullions. The dowel jig is meant to be used as a drill guide for both the end of the post and the side of the vertical post. First, position it on the end of the profile and clamp it into place. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill to a depth of 5/8 of an inch in both holes. Then, remove the jig and repeat on the side of the joining profile. Finally, add glue, then insert the dowels into one side and join. Step 5. Module assembly. Fasten the vertical profiles through the top and bottom edges of the frame to ensure that the fasteners are concealed. Lift the module into place and anchor securely into the floor and ceiling. Screw in the pocket screws to pull the corners tight. Step 6. Clamp cutting. Now it's time to prep the clamping profiles. With the clamping profiles, the top and bottom edges will be installed first and run continuous. The vertical clamps will butt into the top and bottom edge clamps. Horizontal mullions will butt into the verticals. Step 7. Foam tape. Before installing the panels, we need to add the foam tape. Apply foam tape evenly along the inside face of the seat profiles. This will ensure that the panels will not rattle once installed. Step 8. Panel installation. Now, use number 6 finishing screws to secure the clamp profiles. Evenly space the screws with a maximum distance of 24 inches between each screw. Make sure that the profile securely and evenly clamp to the panels while also remaining flush with the outside edge of the system. And that's all. Now it's your turn. If you still have any hesitation or concerns, I urge you to read through our wood frame solution document, which is available through 3-form.com/hardware, or feel free to get in touch with our technical support at 877-649-2670. Thanks for joining me.